God! Oh, everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So you're gonna go to Austria today, right? So I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to experience new artists, to see what they are capable of, and to learn about the culture of the place, the music, the heritage. To be honest, I'm not sure if this type of music plays in my country, Jamaica, but I'm here to learn something new. I'm here to have an adventure here in Austria. So, guys, we're gonna react to Wicked Love by JJ. First time hearing of this guy, I'm not sure what he's capable of, so I'm here to learn. Alright? But one question, do anyone who's watching this video knows the Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's all go. Peace.
I'm an ocean of love, and you're scared of water.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's his real voice? Oh my good. Bro. Bro. That's his real voice? Damn. Dog.
You don't want to go under, so you let me go under. I reach out my hand, but you watch me grow distant.
Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, I can't believe, bro. I can't believe, bro. Bro. What a horrible voice, bro. Coming from a guy.
Drift out to the sea and far away in an instant. You left me in the deep end. I'm drowning in my feelings. How do you not see that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this is terrific. Oh my god, yo. This voice is driving me crazy. Oh, good lord. Fucking hell. Ah! Oh my god. My goodness. Oh! No way. No freaking way. What an angelic voice. What a sweet tasting voice. What a cute, refreshing voice. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
When you let me go, I barely
Wow! Wow! Oh my! Oh gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fuck! I can't comprehend this, bro. This is driving me crazy! Whoa! Yo, the message is crazy. The song is astonishing. The artist is incredible. Holy fuck! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Oh! Oh! Vocals! The vocals! The vocals! The note, bro! The note, oh, it's so good! The perfection of this man's voice! Fucking hell! Yo! Sweet Mary of Jesus! Oh gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro, I can feel the song so much! Oh god! I can feel the song so much, bro! Oh mighty god! Oh god! My goodness, bro! Oh gosh, bro! I never heard this in my entire life. I never heard a voice like this in my entire life, bro. Coming from a male? Austria! You've got this! Sweetness! Oh gosh, bro. Oh my god. At this point, I don't care what nobody's saying. Is freaking good. Is an astonishment. Is the king of vocals from freaking Austria. Oh my flipping god. Oh fuck. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That's it? That's it? It's already finished? That can't be it, bro. That can't be hit. This is too much for me to take in, bro. You can't just leave like that so quickly. Gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my god, bro. This made my day. This made my entire day. Oh fuck. JJ, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You blew my mind away, bro. I never expected this from you, man. I'll swear to God, bro. I swear. No, as a Jamaican, bro, this blew my mind away, bro. Such incredible vocals, dog. Hey, Austria, you've done well. You've done freaking well. Thanks for watching.